Hello, in this video we will see Oracle installation. Go to google.com, type Oracle download for Windows. Click on the first link, Oracle Database 21C downloads. Click on the first link, db_home zip file. Download. Check the box, select download. Your download has started. Go to downloads. The download is completed. Copy the zip file. Download that zip file. Come to C drive. Create one folder app. Name it as app A caps. Inside that, create one more folder db_home. All small letters db_home. Inside that, paste the downloaded zip file. Right click, extract here. Extraction is completed. Double click the setup file, which is in red color icon. See, this is the setup file, red color icon. Start your setup. Your setup wizard has came. First option, create and configure single instance. Let it be the same. Next, desktop class. Let it be the same because you are installing it in desktop or laptop. Let it be the same. Next, virtual account. I am creating one new window user. So I am choosing that option. Remember the credentials. Next, password give 8 characters wherever. Okay, in this global database name orcl.yamudra.com. Change the global database name to ORCL, all small letters. Previously it was like that, like this. I have removed everything and just given only ORCL. Global database name, keep it ORCL, all small letters. Password, give 8 characters and remember the password. Click on next. Install. It takes some time. Please wait. Oracle is successfully installed. Close it. Now I want SQL developer. SQL developer is a workbench for using Oracle server. SQL developer is the workbench for using Oracle server. SQL developer 21C download. SQL developer 21C download. Why? Because we have downloaded Oracle 21C server. Click on the first link. (64-bit) with JDK 17 included. Download this. Download this link. Download got started. It will take some time. Your zip file is downloaded successfully. Zip file for its SQL developer. Copy it. Come to D drive. Create new folder. Oracle underscore workbench. Paste it. Right click. Extract here. Open SQL developer. See, this is the icon. The type will be application. Double click. This is the SQL Developer Workbench. Using this only, you can able to access Oracle Server. Using this SQL Developer, accessing Oracle Server will be easy. I doesn't mean to say only using this you can able to access. With the help of this SQL Developer, it is easy to access Oracle Server. Let it open. Please wait. Would you like to import references from previous SQL Developer installation? Yes, to copy references from version. References. No. This is your SQL Developer. Right click and pin this to taskbar. Pin to taskbar. Create new connection. I am naming it as MyDB. I am creating one new database. The database name is MyDB. Oracle, let it be default. Let it be default role. I want to create this MyDB database as a system DBA. For system DBA, the username should be sys. Password is the one which you gave during Oracle Server installation, right? You have created one password, no? During Oracle Server installation. That password only you have to give. I told you to remember that password, no? SID, you want to give global database name. During installation, what is the global database name we have set? ORCL, all small letters, right? That global database name, we have to change it here, SID. Test the connection first. Success. Connect. Your database is created. See, MyDB database is created. Here you can in the worksheet you can type your SQL queries and run. Working on with SQL queries, tutorial for your SQL queries will start from next video. Thank you.